How is everybody today? So, what's wrong? Oh, I'm sorry. I was looking at the weather forecast this morning. Does anybody look at the weather on TV to see how the weather's going to be? Yeah. Well, today I was a little worried. The weather forecast said it was going to be sunny. That's when I was eating my breakfast. After I had a glass of milk, they said it was going to be cloudy. Okay, that's not really a problem. I started brushing my teeth. They said it might snow. And then they said after the snow, it was going to rain. So I didn't know how to prepare for coming to class today. So I thought the best way to deal with it is to put on everything. So, can anybody identify, can you tell me what articles of clothing that I'm wearing? Scarf. Yeah, scarf. Okay, now, Mona, do you know what a scarf is for? What type of season would you be wearing a scarf? In the winter time. Right. Okay. What else am I wearing? This here on my head? Yeah. What type of hat is this? Summer hat? What would I call this? This isn't really just a hat, is it? What's it made of? Very good. Yeah, straw hat. It also looks like a little bit like a cowboy hat. Or like a tropical hat just for wearing in the summer to keep your head cool. I'll put straw hat. That'll make it easy. So that'll be in the summertime. I think I'd be wearing that. These here, they're close. They're not quite glasses. Yeah, they're used for goggles, right? They're used for protection when it's foggy outside, or if you're skiing or something like that, snowboarding. That's right. So that would be in the winter time. Yes. Good. Okay. How about these to protect my hands and keep them warm? Gloves. These are gloves. What season would these fall into? Winter time, obviously. You're not going to wear gloves on the lake, are you? Okay. Does anybody know what this is called? This actually is a pretty difficult one. It's for wearing in the winter time. Keep your head warm. It's called a toque. Yeah. Now toque is an 11 on the bell clock. So toque. And so you say it. And it's spelt. Yeah. That is right. Toque. I'm feeling better already. Let's go with this. What's this here? This here? This is a jacket. Just a jacket, but it's worn in the winter time, so a winter jacket would be a good word for it. Can I wear a jacket in the fall?
Yes.
Yeah?
Small jacket.
Yeah, a small or light jacket. Starting to get more appropriate here. It's nice. This is a big, heavy sweater. Big, heavy sweater. Sweater, that's right. Sweater could be worn in the autumn or fall. Could be also worn in the winter time. You see, there's a lot of clothing that you wear in the wintertime. compared to the summertime? Autumn? Yes, absolutely. Especially if you're not wearing a jacket. Okay. What's this? This here. It's a shirt. What type of shirt is it?
Long and
Yeah, it is. This is a business type shirt. It's a long shirt. That's right, Evan. Yeah. What type of long shirt is it? Does anybody know what this is called? It's around your collar.
collar.
That's right, around your collar. So a long sleeve collared shirt. And that could be worn in just about any occasion. Just about. Summertime, you could wear it inside in the air conditioning when you're working. But these are shorts. Yeah, what type of shorts are these? What type of material is it?
Cotton.
Cotton? Maybe jean?
Jean.
Jean shorts.
Jean short.
Yeah. Just shorts are fine now. Shorts, a lot of people wear them in spring, summer, and fall. Getting down to the basics now here. What's this look like?
Swimming suit.
Swimming suit or bathing suit?
Bathing.
Bathing suit. You have to go into a pool or into a lake to go swimming. Am I wearing sunglasses? No. Am I not wearing sunglasses? Am I wearing pants? Am I wearing pants right now? I am wearing pants. Am I wearing shoes? Yes. Okay. Do you all know, does anybody know what tense, what verb tense in the questions that I'm asking? What verb tense am I using when I'm saying, I am wearing shoes? I am wearing shoes. Present continuous. Present tense, present continuous, that's right. Or present progressive. Same thing. They just change the words just to confuse us sometimes. So, present progressive or present continuous talks about the present. In the timeline here, something that is going on. I am wearing shoes. I am not wearing sunglasses. No. Present progressive is used for actions that have begun but not finished. It can also be used to talk about something in the future. Present continuous expresses the idea that something is happening now, at this very moment. It can also be used to show something that is not happening now. When I said, like, I am not wearing sunglasses, I'm definitely not wearing sunglasses. That is in the present. The form of present progressive is the verb to be or the past participle. Words such as am, is, are. The present participle. So am I wearing sunglasses? Okay. Ready for some examples here? Let's see. Wearing. Anything with an ing. Very, not everything, but many things with an ing. So, does that seem very familiar for understanding the present progressive, present continuous? Okay. So, is everybody ready for a little game then? To maybe make a sentence about using the present continuous? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the articles of clothing that I just had on in the box here. The box is then given from the start. We're going to get into a groove, maybe bring the chairs a little bit closer. Good. Just bring them close up so you can each get to each other, because the box is going to be passed around. Okay, so I'm going to pass a box. I'm going to be playing some music. So you keep on passing the box around. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some music, and the box is just going to be passed around. When the music stops, take an article of clothing out of the box and speak a sentence in a present continuous. You can say something like, if you take an article of clothing out of the box, you say, I'm wearing a straw hat. You have to put the article of clothing on as well. You can take an article of clothing out of the box and say something that it is not also. Well, let's get started here, and we'll try to get it through quite. See how painless it can be. Okay, who would like to say a sentence in the present continuous? Adley?
No.
Want to try?
Iris.
Iris, your turn? Okay. Take an article of clothing out of the box, please. They're all clean. Just take an article of clothing out, such as the swim trunks or the shorts. Just take one out of the box and say, I am holding shorts. I am holding shorts.
And
I am holding
I
shorts.
am holding short.
That's it. That's it. Present continuous. Holding. To hold. You're holding, grabbing onto something. Or you're carrying. It is to carry. You're carrying it as well. You could be carrying. It's like you're carrying a bag. Do you have a purse? You have a purse that you walk around with?
Yeah, just the purse and the
A handbag?
and the wallet and telephone.
And
Just a bag. Just
putting it over your shoulder, you are carrying a bag. You're holding a bag. Excellent. Two. Absolutely. You are wearing a two. Okay, excellent. Let's do Courtney? You're holding.
I am holding t-shirt.
You're holding a t-shirt. Fantastic. Yes. Okay. Well, I think that just about concludes our review for present continuous. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining me. Appreciate it.